Hey guys, here's a Casablanca Palisades ceiling fan in Navajo white. This fan features the VersaTouch remote control. And this fan is from April 6th of 2000. But oddly enough, the control system inside of the fan motor housing says 2004. So I'm assuming it was held in the factory for a while. But this fan came with a down rod longer than the World Trade Center towers, so that's why it's on a short one now. Down rod was Navajo too. I'll show that in a minute. But yeah. Without further ado, I'll give it a shot. Here's the light. Has the halogen bulb in there, the single tiny bulb that does dim. I picked this thing up on Marketplace. I wasn't initially going to get it, but it was on Marketplace for so long, I kind of felt bad for it, so I had to grab it. And I'm really glad I did. It's a really cool fan. I like the finish a lot, and it's just neat. So here's low speed. One of the blades is really bent, which you'll probably notice that at some point. It does have the spinner motor in there, I think, if I'm not totally mistaken. I'm not sure if that light in the back's helping. Yeah, it's better than nothing, right? It's about low speed, it's medium. The light kit's actually very loose. The globe does not sit in there correctly. I'm not too sure why, but whatever. And you're going to see it's going to start to wobble. That light in the back should be pissing me off. Yeah, just a little bit. Alright. Then we'll go to high. It moves a lot of air though. So I get nervous right there with the light. But it's not touching it, so I'm not too concerned. Throwing out a really nice breeze. Shut it off. And I'll stop it. Still have to bend that blade back at some point, but you can see it's not sitting there correctly at all. I can usually just turn it off like that. So, not sure if that's a replacement globe or something, but it's clearly not right. But here's the down rod it came with. I think that's a 4 or 5 foot long down rod. I'm not entirely sure, but it's pretty long. It's also Navajo too, so that can be cut up or something if I need it. Here's the top. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.